Bachata! Yes! Bachata box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachata. Gin win, pin win, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin.
Let's learn how to draw a butterfly. Start by creating an oval at the center of the page. Great! We've drawn the body and head of the butterfly. Now let's make her two eyes and a smiling face. Create two antennas on the top of her head. Good! Now create tall grass simply by making big triangles. Color. You may use your favorite colors on the butterfly. Green hues on the grass. Great going! Butterflies gather the energy to fly by sitting under natural sunlight. When you see her sitting still in the gardens, she's warming up her wings so that it can fly. Now share this beautiful butterfly drawing with a friend.
Stay tuned to Bachata box. Happy hours for kids.